Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marisol. So today I'm gonna be reviewing or trying out. I've never bought any Fenty products, RiRi, Rihanna's line. I've never bought anything, so today's the first day I'm gonna be trying out. I bought concealer, I bought a palette, and I also bought liquid liners, 3 liquid liners. And we'll see how that turns out. This is the finished product that I did. So if you want to know how I got this look or how I made this look.
Stupid pinches baby hairs. I swear to God. Do you guys have these stubborn baby hairs? Jesus. Anyhow, if you
guys are interested or want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the package came. I thought this was super cute. Oh,
I swear, I don't know why I keep, everything just falls. Everything just, literally just.
How cute is this? It says Fenty, a palette, liquid liners, foundation, concealer. Yes, okay. So that's all I bought from her, Moroccan Spice, and that's the palette. That was 29 bucks. Concealer was 26 bucks and the foundation was 35 bucks and the eyeliners were 24. So I love the packaging. It's super cute and it comes like that. Oh my god, look at that.
Pretty. Oh my gosh. Like reflects.
16 eyeshadow colors here. 7 matte. And then the rest are like shimmers. Super cute. This is the foundation. Super cute and elegant. I got the 200. Shade 200 here. I love the packaging, by the way. I got the 170. And here they are. Cute. I'm going to swatch them on my hand. Okay.
Okay, this is like a Barbie kind of, Barbie print crease, because every other white eyeliner that I buy.
Shock. So cute. Fluffy brush. We're just going to pick some up and we're going to see how this picks up. Okay.
Not too much fallout. Okay. I'm always scared with, like, seriously, there's not a lot of fallout. I'm going to show you guys.
Do you guys see that? I love eyeshadows that don't have a lot of fallout. Love. Okay.
And I did not put any primer on my eyes, okay?
This one right here. So I'm just using like stabbing motions to just deepen the color in the outer V. I'm gonna take this nice flat brush and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this cute pink color right here. It's still a matte. I'm gonna see if it literally no fallout. Gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just lighten up the lid just a tad bit. This fluffy brush again and just kind of blend the two colors together so there's no harsh lines or edges between the colors. Take this and just create a crease.
I really hope I don't fuck this up. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. See, I don't even know how to do it. Like, should I start from here and just go up, or? The hard part is doing it the same way on the other eye. I literally was not breathing.
Okay, we're done with that. Go ahead and do the foundation and then I will finish the eye look after that. Go ahead and go with the foundation. I did not buy the brush that comes with it. So I actually don't even use a brush. Oh This actually smells so nice. Okay. Like, I don't know if maybe I put too much foundation on, but it's like full coverage. And I'm not mad at it at all. Tati Blendiful. And try the concealer. Remember, the foundation is 200, the concealer is 170. So there we go.
Oh my god, this is so effing nice.
I'm gonna use my Tarte palette. I'm gonna use this brush. I think this is from e.l.f. And
I'm just gonna pick up just a bronzer. First like this, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of set that.
Concealer. Gonna go ahead and use this illuminating blush with my safe e.l.f. brush. Pop.
With a fluffy brush and just go over everything just to make sure everything is nice and blended.
On these two right here, so you guys can see there's actually no fallout. Isn't that like awesome? Gonna go in with those two. I'm just gonna go under my eye here, and I'm just gonna pick up this kind of I'm actually gonna pick these two up. That's nice and dark brown with this kind of like purpley color. So that has fallout because this is super stiff, not because of the actual product. Darken my under eye just a tad bit. A flat brush, and we're just gonna smoke that out just a tad bit. This frosty white glittery color that I've been dying to put on my eyes. This is a really nice flat brush, and let's go ahead and just pick that up. Oh, it's so nice and frosty. It's kind of like a creamy, and I'm just gonna pop that all over my tear duct.
That was like a nice frosty white, but that is totally fine, RiRi. It's a gorgeous either way.
I'm gonna do a cocoa highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I straightened my hair again because it went all nasty when I did my makeup. And then I also put on some lashes and put on some lips. So here is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. So now let me go ahead and start with the review. So for the actual foundation and the concealer, I am in love with this foundation and the concealer. The consistency is great. It's full coverage, so it's as you guys can see, it covers everything. I got like the perfect shade for me, and I actually picked it online, so that's awesome. I got the perfect shade, and then the concealer is super creamy, I just want to say they smell amazing. I don't know what the hell it is, but the smell is incredible as well. So I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 all the way around. I'm gonna say for like price, the price and the quality is perfect. You get amazing quality for the price. And then, I mean, it works. Of course, it's full coverage, so it works. And then the shipping, it actually was 5 out of 5 as well, because it took 4 days for everything to come. And then, what else do I rate it? And the packaging. Packaging is amazing. Like, in love with it. I just love it. I love the packaging. So the foundation, the concealer, 5 out of 5 all the way around. And the palette, oh my god. This palette has little to no fallout. So you know that is good quality. And not to mention, it was not that expensive. I know I got it on discount. It was on clearance, but even without being on clearance, I believe it was like $39. So even if it wasn't on clearance, it's an amazing price. The quality of the mattes and the shimmers. The only thing that threw me off was this one, because I thought it was going to be like an actual frosty white color, but it wasn't, which is totally okay. It was like more like of a pinky mauve color, but it's still amazing quality, little to no fallout. It's just amazing. I am in love with this palette. It's so good. The price was amazing as well. So I'm going to give it 5 out of 5 all the way around as well. These. So I only tried this one, as you guys can see, but I haven't tried these. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same consistency, the same wear as well. But this, oh my god. You guys need to get this. It does not crease at all. I've been trying to find a white eyeliner that does not crease, and I found it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I found it and I bought it. The price was not that bad either. And the quality is just, the quality in these products are just amazing. I'm so glad I went ahead and picked up and bought these items.
It was a big hype, so I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna buy it, but
literally, you guys need to try this foundation. You guys need to try her products. The quality is beyond. It's amazing. Shipping was amazing. Everything. And they're not super expensive as well. Any other
foundation is gonna be around 30 to 40 bucks. Especially if it's like a high-end foundation like Tarte or MAC or anything like that. They're all gonna be around that same price. And the quality is amazing. Like, the quality is just amazing. Yes, you guys need to
pick up Fenty products. Like, you guys need to pick this up. Literally, they are amazing. The wear is amazing as well. The palette was just amazing. Little to no fallout. I am not kidding you guys. This does not crease at all. At all. The next one creased like that. This does not crease at all. I've actually worn it for about 2-3 hours now. Also the foundation. So yes, you guys need to really pick up these items. No joke. And I'm actually thinking of maybe buying the actual brush that comes with the foundation to see how that goes. I usually use a beauty blender or Tati's Blendiful sponge creation that she made. So I've been picking that up a lot. I don't normally use any brushes to put on my foundation, but I feel like this one I want to try to see, because I mean the brush is made for the actual foundation. So yes, 5 out of 5 for Rihanna, girl. I love your products. Amazing quality. Thank you so much for working so hard, and thank you so much for giving us something that is good quality and it's not really expensive. You guys can get your hands on this. She has clearance items. Most like I said, the palette, I got it for like 24 bucks. I cannot believe that. Amazing quality on the mattes and the shimmers. You guys seriously need to pick this foundation up and her products because they're just amazing. I don't know how many times I said that, but it's literally like the quality is great. So yes, that is it.
I know I have 2 different lashes. I know. I don't know where the other one went.
Anywho, I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Let me know if you want me to review anything else. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.